Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Jocelyn Ogay. I am Filipino. I am 40 years old. I am married. My husband is working as a driver. I have 3 brothers and I have 4 sisters. I am a high school graduate. My working experience, I worked before as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, UEA, and Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, washing, and car washing. I know also how to cook Chinese dishes like steamed fish, steamed chicken, fried vegetables, fried shrimp with tomato sauce, and I know also how to take care of the children or baby. The children, I know how to prepare the things bring to the school, and I know how to cook also the food for them. The baby also, I know how to change the diaper. I know how to take a bath, and I know how to feed the milk. Mom and sir, if you choose me, I will do my best until my contract is finished. Thank you, mom and sir.